Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Studio, where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun. My name is Anna.
And I'm Paul. We are happy to see you here today. How are you feeling? Are you excited to learn with us?
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever traveled to another city or country?
And did you need English at the airport? Maybe you wanted to check in, ask for help, or order something.
Today, we will help you feel confident. We will teach you useful travel English phrases, easy airport conversations, simple speaking practice, real mini dialogues.
So stay with us until the end. You will learn so much today.
Today's topic is English for travel and airport conversations.
When you travel, English helps you everywhere at security, immigration, the boarding gate, and even when asking for directions.
But don't worry, we will speak slowly. We will teach step by step.
Let's begin our journey.
Airport 1. Arriving at the airport.
Imagine you arrive at the airport. What can you say?
Useful phrases. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the security? Excuse me, can you help me?
Let's practice. Mini dialogue.
Excuse me, where is Terminal 2?
Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple and friendly.
Airport 2. Checking in.
Check-in means giving your passport and getting your boarding pass. Useful phrases. I would like to check in. Here is my passport. Do you need my ticket? I have one suitcase.
Mini dialogue. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Singapore.
Can I have your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. You're all checked in. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Airport 3. Security check. Security officers may ask you questions. Useful questions are, do you have liquids? Please remove your laptop. Useful answers are, yes, I do. No, I don't. Mini dialogue.
Please place your bag on the belt.
Okay?
Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
You may go through.
Airport 4. Passport control, immigration. Here, officers check your passport. Useful questions are, what is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Useful answers are, I'm here for tourism. I will stay for 1 week. Mini dialogue. Hello, what is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism,
How long will you stay?
1 week.
Enjoy your stay. Airport 5. At the boarding gate. This is where you wait to get on the plane. Useful phrases are, is this the boarding gate for Flight 102? When will boarding start? Mini dialogue.
Excuse me, is this gate 12?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Airport 6. On the plane. Useful phrases are, excuse me, where is seat 22A? Can I have water? May I have a blanket? Mini dialogue.
Where is seat 18B?
Right here, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Airport 7. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
For practice. Now it's your turn. We will practice together. Repeat after me. Where is the check-in counter? I would like to check in. Here is my passport. Do you need my ticket? I have one suitcase.
Excuse me, can you help me? Can you repeat, please?
Great job. Let's try one more time, slowly. Repeat. Where is security? What time is boarding? Can I have water? Thank you.
Well done.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments. Have you ever traveled by plane? Where did you go?
We will read your answers.
You did a great job today. Learning English for travel is important, and you are getting better.
Every video you watch brings you closer to confidence.
We're proud of you.
Keep practicing. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences.
Thank you for watching Daily English Studio.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to join us in the next lesson.
Bye for now.